Hello everyone, new week, new release of Open Mercato. The release 0.4.1 has just landed. It's ready on GitHub, so feel free to get to our repository open-mercato and take it, test it. As you will notice, as many people ask us about it, we are now supporting the Docker deployments. Is kind of fresh feature. We will work on it in the free releases as well, supporting more environments, variables, for example. But as we tested last week, it works very nicely. So the only thing you need to have Open Mercato locally or any VPS is just to clone the repo and run something like this. Docker Compose, full app is the Docker file with the application, Postgres, and all the other dependencies. We also provide the Docker Compose YAML if you like to have like a local instance of Open Mercato and Dockerize dependencies. That's also fine. So let me know how it works for you. We are about to record new video how to set up Hetzner-based VPS with Open Mercato. So your feedback would be super thankful. In this point, I would like to thank our core team members, Szymon Konkol and Mateusz Staniaszek, who did this Docker update. Mateusz is on its way to configure and develop and deploy the new infrastructure of Open Mercato demo and also development instances. So another big thing is coming probably this week. Super happy about it. Let me also thanks to our other contributors, Patryk Andrzejewski, Maciej Dudziak, who implemented a really cool feature of dark mode. So here in the top, you have now dark mode. Apparently it's like small feature, but super important, right? So I'm using only dark mode in all sort of applications. So for me, it was very important to have it. Happy we support it. It looks really nice, really great on all the screens. So Maciej did a great job here. Thank you very much for that. I would also like to invite first-time contributors, Rafał Makara, who did quite tremendous work digging into some bug and then fixing it, which for me was quite impressive. Like, new guy, come to the repo, take it, dig into the bug, fix it. It also shows like how Open Mercato welcoming is. So feel free to get to our GitHub, get some issues, and just start working with us. Credits included as this one. So Rafał, thank you very much for your great job. What else? So like in this new release, we also have some bug fixes, super important bug fixes. Thank you guys for maintaining the core and making it more stable. We have some security fixes we implemented, so code scanning issues. And we have like new feature, which is like resources and capacity planning and people management. Let me show how it works. So when you look into your updated Open Mercato release, we have this employee tab, so you can add your teams, you can add your team members, and like it's kind of HRM system, so it's very extendable. You can define all those fields we have here. You have things like job history per team member. You have availability, so you can pick and choose from some predefined working hours where this person is available or not. You can also put some exceptions, so specific hours when this person is available or not. So it's pretty useful for tracking sick offs, holidays, and other stuff. And as the other features of Open Mercato, this HRM module is pretty like extendable, and think of like a base for your customizations. So you can see how we implemented the leave request workflow and take it as an example to, for example, add some other forms supported by your company, the other processes. That could be pretty cool, pretty useful. Test it out. Well, yeah, that's it. I think that's it about this release. It should be quite backward compatible, no problems with upgrade. If you face any issues, you can always join our Discord. The link is here in the README, so feel free to create your account. If you have already, you can ask anytime, anything you want. What else is more important with this release? I guess the important thing is that we more we put more accent of spec-driven development. So we put some info how it works with Open Mercato here in the repo. Actually, the idea is that we put the specs in the .ai specs folder. So when you go to the source code and you go to this folder, you can see some example features specified here. By the way, kind of nice ideas for the contributions. So if you like to work on notifications or progress or messages modules, quite reusable ones, we put some specifications already here. We also have some waiting specifications for WMS, OMS, procurement, POS. So kind of standard ERP modules. If you like to work on it, even giving a feedback to the specification is on GitHub. So we would be super thankful for all your comments and ideas how these features should work. Go on, help us building Open Mercato better. So that's super cool features waiting for your input. What else is important? In the next release, probably in a week or two, maybe 3, you can expect that we will continue works on our OCP, so open close principle. Patrick Andrzejewski is working on this, and we plan to have some eject comment. So eject comment is for modifying the core. If you like to use our customers but need to change the UI, you can still do it right now, injecting some controls or doing some event hooking, but we plan to make it even easier. So you will be able to eject some modules, customize just this one for your instance, use the rest from the NPMs. That would be super cool. By the way, Patrick added in this release, I forgot about it doing the changelog explanation, added feature for full HMR and hot reloads for all the packages. So it didn't work that well with 0.4, but with 4.1 is way easier for developers to work with Open Mercato, because all the changes in any package got immediately refreshed in the browser. So that's super cool. Wojtek Bakłaszczyk is also working on very nice feature, which, by the way, is included in this release, which is AI assistant. I didn't mention it before and didn't mention it explicitly in the changelog because it's something we are still working on. It has really great architecture, to be honest. So if you look at this pull request, you can learn the details. But actually, Wojtek put a open coding agent as a core of our assistant. So open code is doing all sort of tasks, even long-lasting tasks you ask it to do. And also we are exposing the MCP server with all the API calls. Open Mercato is supporting all the docs for those calls. And as far as I know, Wojtek currently is working also with the feature of context sharing. So we would like this feature to be if you are on any site on a page in the admin panel and you will call the AI assistant, it's gonna have access to exactly what you see on the screen, which is, I think it's pretty cool because it will help you working with this assistant, like somebody like sitting near you and saying like, you see this customers list, fix it because we had some unassigned customers or something like this. So pretty excited about this feature. Looking forward, maybe next release, maybe in 2 releases, we gonna have it. It's pretty complex, to be honest. So it requires us to do some works. But yeah, in general, it's super exciting. Okay. I guess we have it. Like I told you about everything I wanted to. So go to our GitHub, check the Docker instance, check how it works for you. We're about to deploy it to demo instance in a couple of days, probably 2-3 days. So yeah, happy to get your feedback and see you soon. Bye bye.